Welcome to Maths class. In this class, I am going to explain the sums given in exercise 1.3 in the chapter number system. Question number 2. Arrange the following in ascending order. Subdivision 1, 2.35, 2.53, 5.32, 3.52 and 3.25 are the given numbers. First, we comparing the whole number parts of the all numbers. Among the 5 numbers, 5 is the greatest and 5 is greater than 3 is greater than 2. So, the first greatest number is 5.32. Next, 3.252 and 3.25 are equal in their whole number part. So, we comparing their digits in tens place, we get 5 is greater than 2. So, 3.52 is greater than 3.25. So, the second greater number is 3.52. Third one is 3.25. Now, we comparing 2.35 and 2.53. Their whole number parts are also equal. Comparing the digits in tens place, we get 5 is greater than 3. So, 2.35 is greater than 2.35. So, the ascending order of the given numbers, 2.35 is less than 2.53, is less than 3.25, is less than 3.52, is less than 5.32. Subdivision 2, 123.45, 123.54, 125.43, 125.34 and 125.3 are given numbers. Comparing the whole number parts, we have 123 is the smallest number and two numbers 123.45 and 123.54 have same whole number part. So, in 123.45 and 123.54, comparing their digits in the tens place, 4 is less than 5. Therefore, 125.45 is less than 123.45 is less than 123.54. Now, comparing the remaining numbers 125.43, 125.34 and 125.3. They all have the same whole number part. Comparing the numbers in the tens place, 3 is less than 4. Therefore, 125.43 is the greatest. Also, tens place value are equal. 3 equal to 3 in 123.34 and 123.3. Now, we comparing 100 place value, we get 4 is greater than 0. So, 125.34 is greater than 125.3. So, ascending order of the given numbers, 125.45 is less than 123.54 is less than 125.3 is less than 125.34 is less than 125.43. Question number 3. Compare the following decimal numbers and find the greater number. Subdivision 1, 24.5 and 20.32 are the given numbers. Comparing the whole number part, we get 24 is greater than 20. Therefore, 24.5 is greater than 20.32. Greater number is 24.5. Subdivision 2. 6.95 and 6.59 are the given numbers. Now comparing the numbers 6.95 and 6.59. Here the whole number part of the given two numbers are equal. 6 equal to 6. Comparing the digits at tens place, we get 9 is greater than 5. So 6.95 is greater than 6.59. The greater number is 6.95. Subdivision 3. 17.3 and 17.8 are the given numbers. First we compare the whole number part of the given numbers. Here the whole number part of the given two numbers are equal, that is 17 equal to 17. Comparing the digits at tens place, we get 8 is greater than 3. Therefore, 17.8 is greater than 17.3. The greater number is 17.8. Subdivision 4. 235.42 and 235.48 are the given numbers. First we compare the numbers. Here the whole number part and the digits at tens place, the given numbers are equal, that is 235.4 equal to 235.4. Next we comparing the digits at the hundreds place, we get 8 is greater than 2. 8 is greater than 2. Therefore, 235.48 is greater than 235.42. The greater number is 235.48. Subdivision 5. 0.07 and 0.07. The given numbers are 0.007 and 0.07. The whole number part and the digits at the tens place of the given two numbers are equal. Next, we comparing the digits at the hundred place, we get 7 is greater than 0. Therefore, 0.07 is less than 0.007. 0.07 is greater than 0.007. The greater number is 0.07. The greater number is 0.07. Subdivision 6. 4.571 and 4.578 are the given numbers. Here the whole number part, the digits at the tens place and hundreds place of the given two numbers are equal. 4, that is 4.57 is equal to 4.57. Now we comparing the digits in the thousands place, we get 8 is greater than 1. Therefore, 4.578 is greater than 4.571. So the greater number is 4.578. Subdivision question number 4. Arrange the given decimal numbers in descending order. Subdivision 1. The given numbers are 17.35, 71.53, 51.73, 73.51 and 37.51. Now we comparing the whole number parts of the given numbers. We get 73 is greater than 71 is greater than 51 is greater than 37 is greater than 17. So the descending order of the given numbers, 73.51 is greater than 71.53 is greater than 51.73 is greater than 37.51 is greater than 17.35. Subdivision 2. 456.73, 546.37, 563.47, 745.63, 457.71. Now we comparing the whole number parts of the given numbers from left to right. We get 745 is greater than 563 is greater than 546 is greater than 457 is greater than 456. The descending order of the given numbers, 745.63 is greater than 563.47 is greater than 546.37 is greater than 457.71 is greater than 456.73. Objective type question. Question number 5. 0.009 is equal to options 1 0.90, option 2 0.090, option 3 0.00900, option 4 0.900. The answer is option 3 0.00900. Question number 6. 37.70 dash 37.7. Options are 1 equal to 2 less than 3 greater than 4 not equal to. The answer is option 1 equal to 37.3730 is equal to 37.7. Question number 7. 78.56 dash 78.57. Options are 1 less than 2 greater than 3 equal to 4 not equal to. The answer is option 1 less than. 78.56 is less than 78.57. Students, I hope you have understood the sums in exercise 1.3.